Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Tuesday, April 12th. Stocks on Wall Street are following the global markets lower as investors digest more bad news from Japan, disappointing sales numbers from Alcoa, and the latest data on international trade. Let's start with the economic news. The U.S. trade deficit narrowed to $45.8 billion in February, from a revised level of $47 billion in January. But the decline was not nearly as big as economists predicted. Meanwhile, both imports and exports fell. But a separate report showed that import prices jumped 2.7% in March, the biggest increase in nearly 2 years, as fuel and food costs shot up. Following the data, the U.S. dollar is losing ground against other major currencies.
Oil prices continue to fall despite the dollar's decline today. Crude posted its biggest one-day drop in a month yesterday after the International Monetary Fund downgraded its growth estimates for the U.S. and Japan. And right now it's trading well below $110 a barrel. Also weighing on the global markets today is a troubling report on Japan's nuclear disaster. The country's Nuclear Safety Commission raised their assessment of the crisis to the highest level on an international scale, a level that had so far only been assigned to the 1986 Chernobyl disaster. But a Japanese official said that the Soviet incident 25 years ago released 10 times more radiation than the Fukushima plant did.
On the corporate front, the first quarter earnings season is getting off to a disappointing start. After yesterday's closing bell, Alcoa reported a profit of just over $300 million versus a loss in the same period a year ago. The bottom line results actually matched Wall Street estimates. But analysts had expected better numbers from Alcoa's margins and sales, especially given the recent rise in aluminum prices and increased demand from the automotive and aerospace industries. As a result, we're seeing Alcoa shares fall more than 5% in early trading. Another stock that may see some action today is Blackstone Group. The investment firm is teaming up with Alta Resources to invest $1 billion in unconventional oil and gas assets in North America, most likely to develop shale gas deposits.
Cisco Systems is cutting 550 jobs as part of a plan to exit some consumer businesses. The company will close down its flip business to concentrate on core routing, switching and services, collaboration, architectures, and video. Shares of Cisco are modestly higher on the news. Meanwhile, keep an eye on Morgan Stanley today. The financial firm is dropping nearly 2% in early trading after Goldman Sachs cut its second quarter profit estimate. Goldman said Morgan Stanley's interest rate, credit, and commodities revenues are likely to fall in the current quarter. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.